experience here was amazing. I learned so much about basically everything, and the class was nice and we did a lot of stuff, and I'm really blessed to have the KBI school. Thank you.
Start.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Hadel and I'm a KBI student. I just wanted to share a little bit from my experience here. I had a great time, and I learned so many things from great people here, especially Colleen. I love her. She's really nice and patient. I learned so many makeup looks from her. She's just awesome, and I'm really blessed to be in this class. Thank you.
I'm a student for Kosti Institute. I learned here not even makeup artistry, plus nails, eyelash extensions, and my airbrushing too. It's a great experience to work with Colleen as a student, because she teaches us not as a teacher. She behaved with us as a friendly manner to teach us very minute thing, like in a very great manner. And I really appreciate how she teaches. I spent here almost like 3 months, and plus I have a nice co-students with me. They are very helpful with each other, and I really like the environment, and I'm very like comfortable is the very most features like we really need it when we go to any school. So I really like the environment basically, and Colleen is a very great teacher. I really appreciate what she did for us, and she's not even treating us as a student. I'm very comfortable to ask anytime, any question if I have in my mind, even in the late nights or early mornings. She always answers my text, and I really I really wants to work with her in future too, and I'm doing I really want him to attach with her after finishing my course to open my own business. I need some cues from her how to be a successful businesswoman in future, and she really helping me with that. So yes, thank you.
Good.
Hi everyone. Safe classroom environment is the most important aspect of learning, and Colleen, the founder of Kosti Beauty Institute, create a very safe and inclusive environment in her classroom. Every morning we come here and Colleen is there to greet us, and because she's very kind and caring. She also uses a variety of learning strategies according to our learning styles and needs. And she has evaluation strategies. She has a very high-tech evaluation system in which she also gives us descriptive feedback after each assignment and give us cues how can we improve our learning by giving detailed feedback for each assignment. And she's also willing to give us extra time to polish our skills. The highlight of her program is a seasonal color analysis, which I recommend to everyone who is in fashion and beauty industry. Above all, being a part of Kosti Beauty Institute is a life-changing experience for me. Thank you.
And then go under the eyes. You could conceal even with this. Maybe you could add concealer, but just for a daytime look, you can just add more of a. Did you